Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
My goodness. Oh, you're making biscuits.
Yeah.
Oh, sweetie.
Tux. Oh, this is Shadow. Shadow. Hey, Putt. Oh, he's a good girl, Putt. Yes, you are. Good girl. GoGo, making muffins. Oh, you're making muffins? Oh, my boy. His brother and sister. And Shadow, that's a brother too. Thor is a wildcat. Feral. Yeah. Oh, he's a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are a good boy. That's my girl. Good girl. Good girl. No. You silly girl. You're so silly. You're such a silly girl. You're still making muffins over here. You don't have a blanket. I'm sorry. You're so hard getting you guys ready to have your shots. You didn't have time to get Tux. You got in the cage and got out, and I chased him. But we got these 4 for today. That's right. 4 out of 5. It's not bad. Of course, doctors aren't going to like 4 out of 5 because they only get paid for 4. Unless they bill me for 5, which they might. Yeah. All right.